Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Friday and a great week. Well, as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Oh, we have Joy Sunday cross stitches. And these kits come from the VIPCrossStitch store. So if they have any coupons or any discount codes, I'll put them right in here and in the description box below. So we're just going to start at the top and get those out of my way. And we'll start with this one. Alright, let's do that and flip this over. This one is called I Love Crafts, and it is 34 by 34. It was $9.01 and 14 count, of course, but I just thought it was kind of cute and whimsical. Going to be a lot of back stitching, as you can see, but yeah, I just thought it was cute. And let's open this up. The paper is just one full page, folded in half. We do have two sets of numbers. The top set goes to the paper pattern. The bottom set goes to the canvas. And we have a total of 38 colors, I think. So you have 34 in full cross stitch. You have 2 half stitch colors, 5 in French knots, and 7 in back stitch. So yeah, you got mulberry, and I'm not. Oh, we do have 310 black. It's just listed down here, so there's no full cross, black. We have 321 red, which is Christmas red. And what did I see? We have 3865 and a crew for white. I don't see any B5200. Let's see here. Let's take a look at these beautiful colors. It comes on a regular thread card. There's 2 of them with 2 needles. So it doesn't have all the information, but we have blues and oranges. There's your 3865 in your crew and your almost said B310. 310 black. Yeah, and some purples and some more bright vivid colors. There's your 321. And there's that mulberry color right here on the end. So yeah, very nice colors, and this is, of course, a partial. So it had lots of cute little elements or motifs. So yeah, it should be easy to take little bit by little bit. Very nicely printed. Nice key running along the bottom and up both the sides. So here's your back stitch, your French knots. Your regular stitch runs along the bottom and up to here, and these are your 2 half cross stitches. So not too bad at all for, what was it, $9.01. So yeah. Oh, I didn't measure. I'm sorry. I knew there was something else I didn't do. We're having a week. All right, it is serged all the way around. It is 34.5 centimeters or 13.5 inches. By a little, no, 13.5 inches or almost on 34 inches, or centimeters, sorry. And this way it is just under 11 inches or 27.5 centimeters by a little over 27.5 centimeters or almost 10 3/4 inches. So yeah, I think it'll be cute and fun and just whimsical. I thought it was adorable. All right, let's get on to the next, if I can get a hold of it. It's just being slickery today. This is also a Joy Sunday kit, as you can see. Oh, and it's kind of small, I see. Because, yeah, it's all shoved in there. But it was very lightweight. It's called Winter Snow Scenery 4. I just love the look on that snowman's face. It is 15 by 18, 14 count. And it was $3.75. And it's going to have some back stitching, but it's nominal compared to the other one over there. Very nice pattern. Do have 2 sets of numbers. This one is actually 55 by 73 stitches. And we have a total of 32 colors. You also have 310 black in this. This one has 3865, B5200, and a crew in it. See if there's any other colors. I know we have that 3777, which is a kind of a brick red. But other than that, I don't see anything that I actually know. So we'll put that up there. Take a look at the colors. Lots of blues. We have some peach colors, some yellows, yellow-orange right there. Some pinks, really pale pink. It does come on 2 thread cards. Take that off, and 2 needles. Whoops, that was exceptional. So there's your 310 black, and that's a crew. So barely needed another, oops, put those needles there. Another thread card. But beautiful, beautiful shades of blues. There's your rust colors. And then we go into the yellows and peaches and blues again. So very nice, very nice. And it is a very petite canvas. Let's see, it goes this way. And it really looks, I don't know if it is showing this on camera, but it really looks like a blob until you get all those colors in there. It's kind of light, but, you know, I mean, I'll hold it and then you can judge. But very small keys, so it's a good thing that you do have an extra copy of it, because those numbers are a bit small to see. We have 5 3/4 inches or 15 centimeters by little over 7 inches or 18 centimeters. The actual picture is 5 1/4 inches or 13.5 centimeters, so it's under 6 inches by 4 inches or 10 centimeters. So yeah, I think the back stitching in this is definitely going to make it, you know, stand out, because if you put this next to this, you'd never know that this was that, you know, until you get the colors. You can barely make out the snowman. So yep, all those back stitching will help. All right, what do we have next? Get a hold of my, I don't know where that bag came from. I think it was mine. My desk is drooling again. All right, and the third one, it's also a Joy Sunday, and it's called Macaroons and Peonies. 26 by 25, $7.13, and it is also a 14 count. But look at that peony. Oh, it was just to die for. I can smell it from here. Gorgeous. And back stitching in this is nominal. It is a partial, so your pattern's all on one side, and then a little bit on the bottom there. 2 sets of keys. 2 sets of numbers. Top one goes to the paper pattern, bottom goes to the canvas. This is 106 by 100, and a total of 43 colors. So you have in full stitch 41 colors. You have 5 in half cross stitch and 3, 6, 10 colors in backstitch in this. Holy cow. It didn't look that complicated. Seriously? Really? Okay. Let's see. I am not seeing any 310 black in this. Or any colors that I really know. Except for 3865, which is a white. Other than that, nope. So let's take a look at it. Ooh, look at that. It just looks like candy, doesn't it? It's all candy colors. Oh, two cards again, 2 needles. Let me fold that down. So you have purples. None of that was 510 or 550, was it? Nope. Okay. I didn't think so. Got blues and purples and purple blues. Kind of an orangish peach color. Kind of a paler peach color. Look at that pale yellow. Seafoam green. Just gorgeous. And then we get into the pinks and oranges and a little bit of greens. Greens are kind of nominal here. There's one right here, and there was 1 or 2 maybe over there. But they're as being darker greens is what I meant. Beautiful. Just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. You could just eat them up. They're so pretty. All right, let's get that all folded up. Let's take a look at the canvas. And did I say it was a partial? It is. It is 106 stitches by 100 stitches. And it, let's see, does have the key running across the bottom. It's bigger than that little picture, but it's still kind of small, so it's a good thing you have 2 sets, you know, so you can confer back to your paper, you know, as to what you're looking at. Symbols are big, but the numbers are a little bit small for me. All right, it's almost 10.5 inches. Sorry about that. Almost 10.5 inches or 26.5 inches by 27 centimeters. Yeah, that's what I meant. Or a little over 10.5 inches. The actual picture size, though, is almost 7.25 inches or 18 centimeters by a little over 19 centimeters or 7.5 inches. They've got nice big margins on this. In fact, the top margin is bigger than the sides margins. Okay, but very nicely printed, and it's going to have some back stitching around the flower, around the macaroons. So yeah, that'll really help this. This is more distinct than the snowman, I'll give it that much. All right, last but not least, let's get this one. And it's the biggest one of, I think, of all of them. I think it's a 14 count. If I can get it out of the bag. You know it's big. I can't get it out of the bag. Whoa. This is called Beautiful Patterns 1. 46 by 46. It was $12.17. But I just love the way this looked. I wanted to see how it was going to turn out. And there does not appear to have any back stitching at all. So on the site, I think they did call it a mandala. Let me see. Oh, we got 2. Let me get it out of there so I don't have to flop back and forth. You have 2 sets of numbers. This goes to the paper pattern, but if you flip it over, this one goes to the canvas. This little booklet is broke down into 6 parts. There are 31 colors, and I see no 310 black, so what in the heck are... Let me look on this side. I can't tell. Nope, there is no dark black. We have the darkest it gets is 939, which is a dark blue. And no 3865 or Big 5200. And none of those numbers I don't think I know. Huh? But yeah, I think it'll be pretty. I'm just not sure what it'll look like, you know? Let me pull this out. And again, we have a plain thread card. And it does come with 2 needles. And there is your 939. So there is plenty of it there. And we have a big wad of it right here. But beautiful greens and oranges, turquoise, blue-green, purple. Over here we have tans, yellows, greens, red, kind of a, what do you call it, dark raspberry, if you will, instead of a brick red, so this is a red. And that one, number 3, is 347. So I thought it was 321, but it's a little brighter than 321. So very nice, beautiful, beautiful colors. Just not sure how this is going to go, because back, excuse me, I didn't get it from this store. I have no idea where I got it. How's that? I did get one that was supposed to look like a mandala, and it had so much confetti in it, it really did not look like that at all. And it was another brand of kit. I believe it was like Hulacan, or I don't think it was Jishu. I think it was Hulacan. Yeah, it didn't look like what it was supposed to be. So I'm kind of interested to see what this will look like. It is serged all the way around. It is 210 stitches by 209. And it is 18 inches across, or 46 centimeters across. And down this way is 46 centimeters, or a little over or a little over 18 inches. The actual is 15 inches, or 38 centimeters by almost 15 inches, or 38 centimeters. So yeah, it's a nice size. And it is a partial. You do not do the background. You can do the background if you want, in whatever color you want. But the pattern does not call for that, or provide a thread for that. But very nicely printed. It does not look to have a lot of confetti, or if any, it's more in sections. So yeah, I think it's going to be cool. Maybe we'll start that one today. Thank you, VIPCrossStitch, for these gorgeous kits. They are all beautiful. Decisions. Now, VIPCrossStitch only has stitching things. They do not have diamond painting or paint by number. I almost said painted cross stitch. Paint by number or diamond painting. They just have sewing things. They always have a wide selection, great prices, great selections, and usually wonderful sales. And it is New Year's sales, so do check them out and everything they have to offer. Thank you for watching today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.